great to have you at Sapphire. Tell us first a bit more about the transformation of Vitesco Technology and how is it going so far?
Yeah. So Vitesco Technology is a leading international developer and manufacturer of cutting-edge drive systems for sustainable mobility. We make mobility clean, efficient, and affordable. And we are a pretty new company. We were born in 21 from a spin-off from Continental, and we used to say we are born in the cloud. When we were facing the challenge that we had to provide a complete new infrastructure for a 9 billion business and migrate more than 300 applications, we decided that we had to leverage the cloud wherever possible. Looking back to it from now, this was the only right decision, right? It gave us the speed and the flexibility we need, and we could provide a future-proof platform for the new company. And finally, we made it within the 18 months we had.
I have to say, Thomas, the team and I, we met last year.
Yeah.
And I thought to myself, Thomas, if I'm honest, I said, oh my God, is this ambitious? But it's remarkable how much we have delivered together, also with your partner Accenture, to really transform not only the system, but also your business model and to really design an ERP which works, for your company. Now, let's also be honest. Such a project, as all of us know here, doesn't come without challenges. What have been your challenges and how did we help or work together to overcome those challenges?
Sure. I mean, separating the IT landscape for 38,000 employees in 50 locations within the COVID pandemic is a challenge in general, right? But within that, for sure, our fragmented on-premise only SAP landscape with over 90 systems and 8 different ERP templates was a special one, right? So we, in the first step, could just clone it from the Continental systems, and so we had the task to harmonize it and migrate it towards S4 still in front of us. And this was the time when we met last year, and we're discussing how RISE with SAP could help us here to catch up, right? And since that, we worked with our great SAP account team. Stefan and Per are here today, wherever they are. Greetings, great job, guys, together with our partner Accenture, and developed our new SAP transformation roadmap, where we gave the migration to RISE with SAP the #1 priority. Because we know from our experience, once we are in the cloud, that will accelerate all our other transformation activities. And we already are well on our way. We already migrated, we started this year, we migrated already 30% of our systems and plan to be ready Q1 next year. And the benefits are already there. Yeah. We have a platform right now that we can not only perfectly adapt, but that helps us to improve our business processes. It's absolutely stable because it's highly automated in operations. We love the end-to-end security. And last but not least, always important, we see the cost savings with every single migration.
That's also helpful.
Yeah.
I agree. So look, I mean, the best quote was, Thomas, from many great quotes, was when you said, don't clone just your ERP system. I mean, why cloning? I mean, when you're doing an ERP upgrade, you should always think about, the business, your end user coming from that direction. And then the ERP system needs to serve your transformation. Now, Thomas, last year we met, this year we are meeting here on stage. I want to meet next year. So what is now next on your transformation agenda?
Okay, no pressure, right? What we see when we work together is that SAP and Vitesco, we share the same strong belief that the cloud is the basis for digitalization, right? And now we are building that great cloud platform for Vitesco that will open complete new opportunities with complete new use cases. What we see is we are exploring the BTP to enable low-code, no-code scenarios to involve all our users, all our employees in the digitalization journey of Vitesco. We think that DataSphere will play a significant role on our way to a data-driven company. And last but not least, we are eager to see our first use case, GenAI with Joule, already this year.
Perfect, Thomas. So I have to thank you and the whole Vitesco team for this great partnership. I wish you all the best for the next year, and I would say, yeah, let's do an arrangement. Let's meet
Right.
each other again here next year on stage.
See
Thanks
you
a
next
lot.
year, Christian.
Thomas,
Bye.
thanks a lot.